Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of Gamma Watermark for good. So the first thing you need to do is to, of course, head to the gamma.app website and log into your account and then just open the presentation that you wish to use. So for example, I have a presentation right here. And as you can see, by default, there is no watermark. And if you're going to export this by clicking on the three dots right here and then selecting export, you'll notice that there is an option to remove the made with gamma watermark right here. However, it's tied behind a paid subscription. So if you try to do this, then you're going to have to pay for a subscription. Now, the workaround that you can follow to avoid this is by simply using this website as your presentation. So just click on present and you can just go through your slides without having the gamma watermark. So that's the workaround that you need to do so that you can remove the gamma watermark. Now do take note that if you really have to export it, then you're going to have to subscribe to Gamma. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.